I woke up kind of late today, around 12 noon na, and it's currently 2 p.m. na. It's a Saturday, and I'm all alone kasi may gig si Mami Dap. So, I'm gonna insert a workout, an afternoon workout for today, but the weather is a little bit bad. It really is a bad weather. Ang laki ng ulap, parang papaulan. The house is very dirty, so I'm just gonna clean first and then work out. I have rested for like 2 days. Thursday and Friday, hindi ako nag-workout. So ngayon Saturday, workout ulit tayo kasi I feel like I have already recovered from yung mga jump ropes kasi yun yung nagpasakit ng binti ko. Today, I think upper body workout, doesn't matter if push or pull. I'm just gonna do whatever feels natural and what feels good. Depende na lang sa mood kung ano yung ma-remember ko. Usually, kung ano lang yung ma-remember ko kasi na workout using dumbbells, yun lang yung gagawin ko. But before that, let's clean the house. The house is now clean. I'm very, very satisfied. Kasi I can now work out in peace and do the things that I want to do for the rest of the day. Because the house chores are done. Look at this. I have this thing right here. It's a lamp. Dito kasama. It's a lamp na heater for the wax na scented candle, and basically it just melts the scented candle para maging mabango yung bahay mo. And I recently sort of hacked this para maging home automation siya. Ito yung nangyari. May wire siya dito. I've had this smart switch for a while now. So when you press this or control this within the mobile app, it will turn on. And yung kagandahan nito, after an hour, kasi sinet ko siya, after an hour, automatically na mag-shutdown yan, magpa-power off. It is controlled by this baby right here. I have a home server and it hosts my own sort of Netflix. I'm not paying anything or any subscription for just nerdy things. Because I'm a nerd, just thought I should share it because I love those things. Makes my life easier. Maybe I'll create some content about engineering. Maybe next time. For now, let's get our workout done. Let's go. Workout done. So in about 26 minutes, we were able to do 5 workouts. Yung hammer curls, dumbbell squats, single arm lateral raise, and then yung single arm push, chuchu, I don't know the name, and then yung parang cross na, so isang parang I wanna hit something on my lower back kasi and yung sa legs. So, kaya in-insert ko yung parang squat lang. And then, yung iba, yung other 4 is sa upper body. I think I'm good for that. I mean, I'm good for today. Currently, it's 3:49. I'm still fasted. I haven't eaten anything yet. And I weighted myself earlier. So, I'm in about 99.5 kg. Medyo nag-fluctuate up since week 2 kasi I had a 2-week downtime. Today, we're back and let's try to hit at least 1 kg by the end of this episode. So now I'm ready to take a shower and play some games kasi dinala ko yung gaming laptop from the office. I just started playing Ghost of Tsushima instead of the Monster Hunter World. It's a really good game. Now 6 p.m. Baka mga 8 or 7, mga 8 siguro tayo magdi-dinner. Tatlong itlog. And then corn. Tsaka beef. And lagyan lang ng hot sauce. Medyo high protein ngayon. Kasi medyo mababa yung protein intake natin. Let's up it a little bit for the next few days. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. We have a good weather today. Look at that. I slept well last night. I ended up playing Ghost of Tsushima until 12 a.m. The game is fun as fuck. I think I'm gonna play some more today. But the plan, I think it's around 9 a.m. na. Plan for today is to get some full body workout. Hi, Eggy. 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 It's now 3 p.m. Just woke up from a nap. I feel it a little bit hungry and sleepy at the same time. But I wanna do some workout right now para magising. Kasi ayokong uminom ng kape. Medyo late na baka kasi matagal ako medyo late na ako makatulog kung magkakape pa ako ngayon. Workout muna tayo. Full body. Same kahapon. Using dumbbell weights and body weight. More on full body. Ah, 25 minutes. Full body workout done. My heart rate is at 150 beats per minute. Sweated a lot. Let's go. I am so happy with that fucking workout. Oh, full body. Medyo exhausting sa back and legs ko. I think I will feel this tomorrow or sa Tuesday. Are you proud of me, Menanga? Huh? Proud of daddy? I'm proud of me too. I'm gonna take a shower. And let's see if baka mamaya mga 6 p.m. gugutumin na ako. And it will be a satisfying meal kasi I've been fasting. See you later. This is our dinner for today. Meron tayong rice, siomai, galing sa eskinita sa unahan. Malapit sa amin. Tsaka bunado na liempo. Let's eat. I haven't eaten since last night. Let's go! Hello, good morning. Dito na tayo sa office ngayon and we're gonna eat some lunch and work out later sa gym. We will hit the back kasi medyo mahirap mag-back kung dumbbells lang sa bahay. Mas maganda yung may mga equipments talaga para mas madali and mahit talaga yung back. For now, lunch muna tayo. I promised the boys to give them some lunch today. So we bought some chooks for lunch. And then yung drink ko, bumili ako ng orange americano and I bought some whole kernel corn for my carbs kasi I don't wanna eat rice kasi nag-rice na ako kagabi. So yun lang. Let's eat. Gym. Ano ba ito?
Sanji, hey Jim.
Hello, gym buddies.
Ew! Warm up lang. Mga 15 minutes. Treadmill. 15 minutes. Warm up, done. Back. Focus tayo sa back. Let's go. done. The back is absolutely destroyed. Tapos, I was able to insert a little bench press kasi it's been a while since I tested my strength using a bench press. So far, so good. Oh, it's a good day. It's a great day today. Ito lang yung gym dito sa office namin. Medyo maliit lang siya. May dalawang treadmill. May stationary. May elliptical. And I don't know what that called. Yes. Tapos may Smith machine. Isang Smith machine. Dito. Yung ibang dumbbells is sira-sira na. Tulad nito. Yan, may isa pa dito, yung parang set-set. Sira-sira na din. But so far, it's perfect naman for like cardio and then bench press and some exercise for triceps and back. Pwede na. Today is Tuesday. No workout activity for today. And I'm gonna fast for the next 8 hours or so. I'll try not to eat anything because I have eaten a lot, I think. Yesterday, I ate like chooks to go and rice and pompano last night. And I feel a little bit full. So I think I can survive for the rest of the day. I might get some coffee though. Inom tayo ng coffee mamaya. Orange Americano pa rin kasi yun yung bagong paborito ko. Woo! I'm excited about it. But yeah, no exercise for today. See you tomorrow. Hello, good morning. Today is Friday and my plan today is to go to the gym sa office. I need to hit at least 3 to 4 km of indoor treadmill and then do some push day workouts. So it's gonna be a long workout for today. But before that, I need to finish up with my work. Kasi mostly during Friday, it's the time or the day that I wrap up and prepare for the upcoming week. So yun, medyo magiging busy. And then for meals, I will try to not eat a lot for today. Because tomorrow morning, I will check my weight. I'm not expecting a lot. And I'm actually expecting also to maybe maintain or gain a little bit of weight because though I've been doing OMAD for a couple of days, I've been eating a lot of rice. Like my usual amount of rice. So I don't know what's the outcome. But we'll see. We'll see tomorrow. Off to a client meeting. It's around 2:15 p.m. I am on my way to a client meeting. It's around 2:15 in the afternoon na. Punta muna tayo doon, mga less than an hour lang naman yung meeting namin, I think. Tapos balik dito sa opisina Meeting ulit. And then, gym na. Gym tayo. Pang malakasang gym today. It's now 4 p.m. Medyo natagalan yung meeting namin today kasi we discussed a lot of things na important with this client, and I'm actually happy that we were able to discuss some of the more important things na dapat ma-achieve. It was very productive. I like it. So ngayon, pabalik na ako sa opisina. It's 5:14. The meeting is ready to hit the gym. Let's go. Solo namin ngayon. Solo ang treadmill. Solo ang Smith machine. Solo ang Tall gym. Let's go. Una tayo sa treadmill. Time pulse. Time pulse na lang.
Nagsasagot. Murag na yung tubong.
30 minutes. Done. Lagi? Break muna. Tapos weightlifting naman. For an upper body lang. Yun lang tayo for now. Medyo mahirap pag walang pagkain sa sistema. Ubos ang energy. That's it for this week. Tomorrow, it's weigh-in time. It's a gloomy morning on a Saturday. Today is the weigh-in day. We've been working out a lot during this past week. So my plan this morning, tatakbo muna ako ng another 3K lang papawis sa basement. Mga 30 minutes yun. Kasi mabagal lang naman ako mag-jog walk eh. So yun yung plan. Pagkatapos nun, titimbangin ko yung sarili ko. And let's see kung ilan yung nabawas natin. Let's go! This is our building's basement. So dito ako magpapalipot-lipot. Time-lapse ko na lang. Minutes of indoor running done. Okay, I just took a quick cold shower to freshen up. It's time to weigh in. Take ko kayo dyan. $99.45. Alright. Okay, so far it's good. I'm happy. So that is it for this episode. We started around 99.3 kgs and we ended up around 99.4. I was not surprised because even though I've been doing OMAD, I was not counting my calories more accurately. But even though we gained 0.1, which is expected with how I ate during this week, I am actually very happy that I was able to work out more than the past few weeks. I did a lot more exercise. I did lift weights a lot and had some more cardio compared to the past week. So we're just gonna maintain this momentum and keep that momentum till next week. And I think we're gonna hit around 98 kgs next week if we just keep this momentum and not relapse. Hopefully. But I'm gonna battle it out. I'm gonna strengthen my mind and not succumb to eating a lot for next week. So I'll see you in the next episode. Keep working out. Let's go. Peace.